Hey, hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, I will let you know how to make your own Android app control home automation system. In this home automation system, we are able to control our home appliances with an Android app, also with our regular switches as we always do. In case if we don't have internet connection, even then we are able to control the home appliances like we all regularly do with the help of our manual switches. So let's get started.
This video is sponsored by OURPCB. OURPCB is leading PCB manufacturing and assembling company in China. If you want to turn your breadboard circuits into real boards and make your projects look more professional, you just have to upload the Gerber files to order high-quality PCBs for low prices. OURPCB Tech Limited was founded in 2005, focusing on PCB manufacturing and assembling. OURPCB provides professional services for more than 2,500 customers around the globe. OURPCB provide all kind of PCB assembly services including wiring, injection and conformal coating in a very reasonable price. Top priority of OURPCB is quality component procurement can ensure that OURPCB assembly turnkey projects are always in high quality standard. OURPCB could meet your needs from PCB prototyping to small batch PCB production or mass PCB production.
Now solder all the component on this PCB. After soldering the components on the PCB look like this, neat and clean. Connect the switches and bulb in this manner. I designed and developed this Android app by Cordular. Download link of APK file of this app is available in the description. Just download and install. Download this code from description and open it in Arduino IDE. Before you upload the code, you need to make few changes in it. First of all, make sure you have added all these libraries in your Arduino IDE. In this section, enter the SSID and password of your router or hotspot. Now hit upload button to flash the program after selecting write board and COM port. Once the code is successfully uploaded, open serial monitor. This shows that our ESP32 is connected with local network and this is IP address. Now we have to enter this IP address in the app. Let's see how it works.